My name is Prabal Pratap Shai. I'm a National DKU Asli, a Ranitik Sangathan, and we are a member of SKM. That's my introduction.
And sir, the question is,
First of all, due to the social media, our movement is on the way, which we are seeing today, and we have got lots of achievements through the agitation period, and government have given us some promises on a letterhead from on a letter of you can say it Ministry of Agriculture that they are forming a committee for MSP and they are giving compensation to the mattress farmer and they are lifting up the case of all on the farmers, all the cases, including the state and central government. They are not introducing the bill, the electricity bill, until and unless they have with the talks with SKM representatives and the liabilities, which are criminal liabilities on the farmers, are there. Other liabilities are there. There will be no liabilities on farmers for the NCR board pollution.
here is a question. In the starting, the farmers, the bench of farmers, the 40 farmers, they refused that they 40 will be sitting, but now they agreed for the 5-member committee. What's the reason behind that?
It is due to course because I was also up the part of that meeting of SK meeting. uh, in a 1 year period, we have made first of all, it is in starting. The 40 people is going, but in the period of 1 year, we have make everyone have know each and everyone, and there is a confidence. That's why government is asking for a small committee, which they said they are saying that they will start conversation with us or start talks with us. So we have okay, we will form a 5-member committee for you, have talks on it, and it is the duty of the committee to have a talk with the government and have detail all the programs and discuss all the programs with them and come back to the SKM and address the SKM what the issues they have discussed with with the government. And that's why you have seen that 4 days, 4 times, consecutively at 4 times, committee, 4 times SKM have said. Why? To clarify on all the issues. And after clarifying all the issues, we have said, okay, we have made a consensus. Okay, you are giving these things.
We do agree that, but the 150 tractors are still there with the government. And what are the decisions that came onto that tractors? Can you just explain that?
First of all, the committee have discussed on the issues, and for tractors and other things, we have asked them to you can say it on tractors on the cases to release the tractors also, and I think in a due period of a time, they will release all the tractors and other things also.
So we have even heard that the NRIs who supported these agitation, they have even been like blacklisted. What are the decisions that we got for them?
They have given us word. The government has given us word, and we are not going anywhere. The first of all, the agitation is not over. Well, no,
The question-
1 second. Agitation is not over. This is the one stage of our agitation that is over. That we are lifting our agitation from border. That you can morchas from borders. We are going back, but it not means that agitation or protest is over. Protest is on. Protest is on for MSP guarantee law also. Protest is on for other things. We will review each and every promises which have made by the government to us, and if government is not fulfilling it, we'll have a detailed review meeting on 15th of Jan to 2022. If we'll see that they are not fulfilling the promises which have given to us, to the representative of us, then we'll make an head and we will make agitation more once more. What's new on it?
You're saying that it would be like you can come back to the borders once again, which I have been hearing from many of the farmers. But do you think so? The people, the like lakhs and lakhs of people in the borders, for now, will it be that much easy
Last
once
year,
again?
They are not aware about the laws and other things. At the time they have come. In the due period of 1 year, they know all the things, all the pros and cons of the laws, all the pros and cons of the MSP laws, and they have a thorough educated about their rights, and they know their rights. They are, you can say that they are now being looted by the corporates and by international monetary funds and WTO policies. That's why this movement is not over, and that's why you are seeing, you are hearing words from the farmers that they will come back. I'm not saying, the farmers are saying. We are not we are going to say them to come back. They are saying they will come back if government will not fulfill their promises.
One more question arises from here. You said the agitation is still not over. Like, how will be seeing that agitation? Like, it will be at the time of the elections or what?
Let's see. Give us time. We will discuss on 15th of Jan. We will discuss. We have a detailed discussion on it. First of all, I will tell you, Karuna, that SK meeting is not a Modi's cabinet, or it is not a meeting of a BJP parliamentary committee meeting, board meeting. We make consensus on it, on everyone, and each and every voices are being heard. Each and every voices of the heard of all the farmers unions which are being the part of the SKM, or all the invitees we have for the SKM meeting. We heard each and every points. We will note down all it, and then we will have an voting on it. They have this is a process of SKM.
The proper process.
This it is a democratic process, which will follow in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This is not happening this time, in the regime, the present regime, and we are fighting. That's why we have fighted, because we are here. We are working in a collective leadership of 40 organization, 550 organization others. That's why we fought this authoritarian and dictatorship regime.
This agitation is for Mazdoor Kisan Ekta. But for now, where are those Mazdoor? Where are
I'm saying one thing. This movement have give the voice to the voiceless. In a time, you will see the bank employees associations will be on the strike, or
You can see that.
on the street. In a due period of time, you will see the rail unions will be on streets. That's the strength of this people, that you can fight against the dictatorship regime of the present regime for your rights.
One more question here arises that this agitation was more than a year. Will we seeing any political leadership coming out of it or not?
No.
You are straightforward saying no. But
Some people either. But as an SKM, no political aspirations is there.
so you have a complete faith and complete trust on SKM for now, right?
Who is SKM? We are SKM. I'm also part of SKM. I'm not, what I'm saying, I'm also part of SKM. SKM is an invisible power. SKM is an invisible power, and everyone is a part of SKM is SKM.
So, do you
On behalf of SKM, I'm saying this.
do you
When I'm saying, it means SKM is saying.
would you like to give any message to the government for now?
Fulfill your promises. Work according to the democratic processes, and